In this video, we'll look at the best platforms for web hosting. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, a small business website, or a full stack app, we'll explore AWS Amplify, GitHub Pages, Netlify, Versal, and Cloudflare to help you choose the perfect hosting solution. AWS Amplify makes building and hosting modern web applications easier and more powerful. It offers easy integration with other AWS services, allowing you to connect your app seamlessly to databases, APIs, and storage. It is ideal for large applications, providing scalability for enterprise-level projects. You can create custom backend systems, including authentication, APIs, and serverless functions, all tailored to your needs. Amplify also includes built-in CI/CD and hosting, so your app updates automatically whenever you push changes. Additionally, it supports multiple frameworks, including React, Angular, Vue, Next.js, and even mobile applications, making it versatile for almost any project. GitHub Pages is a simple and powerful platform for hosting static websites. It offers easy Git integration, allowing you to deploy updates directly from your repository. With free hosting tied to your repo, you can publish your site without any cost. Version control is built in, so every change is tracked and you can roll back anytime. GitHub Pages also supports custom domain names, letting you use your own URL, and provides automatic HTTPS security, ensuring your site is served safely and securely. Versal makes deploying web applications effortless with easy deployment directly from your Git repository. It serves serverless functions, allowing you to add backend functionality without managing servers. The platform is optimized for Next.js, providing the best experience for React-based applications. With fast global performance, your site loads quickly for users all around the world. Versal also offers easy team collaboration, giving your team preview deployments for every pull request and simplifying the development workflow. Netlify is a user-friendly platform with a simple setup for deployment, making it ideal for beginners and small projects. It supports serverless functions, allowing you to add backend features without managing servers. The platform comes with built-in forms and authentication, making it easy to handle contact forms and user login. It also offers integrated identity management, so you can manage users, roles, and access securely. Netlify combines simplicity with powerful features, making it a great choice for both static websites and dynamic applications. Cloudflare offers fast performance, serving your website quickly from its massive global CDN. It provides easy deployment, allowing you to publish updates directly from your Git repository. The platform also serves serverless functions, enabling back-end logic without managing servers. With SSL and advanced security features, your site is protected with HTTPS and DDoS protection by default. Cloudflare is scalable and reliable, handling traffic spikes effortlessly while maintaining high uptime, making it ideal for sites of all sizes. You've successfully explored the top platforms for web hosting. Check out the web hosting videos on each platform to see step-by-step deployment and real-world examples. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, business website, or full-stack application, these tutorials will help you pick the right platform, optimize performance, and scale your site effortlessly. After completing this video, take some time to thoroughly review the demo videos for each web hosting platform. These demonstrations will walk you through the full setup process, from creating your account and configuring basic settings to launching your website and managing its features. By exploring each platform's interface and tools in detail, you'll gain a clearer understanding of how they work, what makes them different, and which one best suits your needs for building and maintaining your website.